Vm equal to 0. It's like a electrostatics. Scalar potential satisfy Laplace equation. Scalar potential satisfy Laplace equation. This is nothing but magnetic scalar potential. Del square Vm equal to 0. Magnetic scalar potential. Okay. Dot B equal 0. Nothing but magnetic monopole. This is the fourth Maxwell equation. Okay. Fourth Maxwell equation. Joining and leaving. Why is joining and leaving the people? I think it's total 50 members in this joining. Inkata Sai. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. What is this? B is equal to mu naught H. We can substitute the B equal to mu naught H. Mu is constant. I writing the left side mu naught. Okay. Del dot H. B equal to mu naught H. Okay. Mu is constant. Mu naught is constant. Taking the left side. Del dot H equal to 0. What is this? H equal to minus del Vm. H is equal to minus del Vm. Nothing but what I am writing. H vector equal to minus del Vm. Okay, we can substitute the mu naught del dot minus del Vm equal to 0. What is this? Del square Vm equal to 0. We can satisfy the Laplace's, the scalar potential satisfy the Laplace equation. I think it's derivation, writing and derivation, which is equal to minus del Vm and del dot V equal to 0. VR is the fourth Maxwell equation. Then this is nothing but very important. This term only for j equal to 0. Only for j vector equal to 0. Okay, directly defined. What I am writing, direct defined in the magnetic scalar potential Vm is equal to magnetic scalar potential Vm equal to sum. I am writing this is the minus integral of A to B. This is the H dot dl. H dot dl. What is the units magnetic scalar potential? This is the H is the what is it? Is ampere per meter. Ampere per meter. What is the length in meters? It is the unit of length in meter. Okay, meter cancel. What is the units? Amperes. Okay, magnetic scalar potential unit is amperes. I am writing. This is the unit of this capital Vm. It is denoted. What is the unit? Amperes. Okay, just keep it in mind. Okay, ampere. Next, vector magnetic potential. Vector magnetic potential. Before discuss scalar magnetic potential, in this vector magnetic potential, that is nothing but we take a vector. Okay, a vector. Magnetic vector potential it defined such a way that is curl gives magnetic flux density. Nothing but curl of A equal to curl of A vector is equal to B vector magnetic flux density. Okay, we can derive the vector magnetic potential just using curl, because curl of vector equal to approximately it is equating the vector quantity. Okay, A is the magnetic vector potential. Okay, just keep it in mind. A vector magnetic potential, that is denoted by capital A. Okay, this is the magnetic vector potential. Writing magnetic vector potential. That is nothing but what is this? Weber per meter. Weber per meter. Just I'm writing Weber per meter. I need not write. Just vector magnetic potential. We can derive this. I think this is 2 mark question. Last year 2 marks question. Vector magnetic potential. Okay, right, and the right hand mathematical equation, right hand statement of the vector magnetic potential. Okay, curl of A equal to B. Since we know that what is this curl of H vector equal to J vector. This is nothing but Ampere's law. Ampere's circuital law. Ampere's circuital law. What is the relation? B ki H ki relation? B is equal to mu H. mu naught h. Okay, nothing but this is nothing but free space. Okay, what is this h? I writing the h. H vector equal to b vector by mu naught. B vector by mu naught. Curl of b equal to curl of b vector equal to what is this? B key this curl of a vector equal to b. I writing what I am writing curl of b. I think is something is wrong. Curl of b equal to mu naught j. Okay, first of all mu naught j. Why is writing mu naught j? I am writing. Where we know that in this situation I am writing what I am writing this I take in the box. Okay, in this situation b vector equal to curl of a vector. Okay, what is this? Using Laplacian of scalar potential. First of all, b curl of b, taking the both side curl. Okay, in this side, in this b equal to curl of a, both side the curl. Okay, I write in the both side curl. Okay, in the left side and right side, the curl of b vector equal to is curl of a vector. Okay, curl of a vector. Okay, I am writing what I am writing curl of a vector that is equal to mu naught j. Mu naught j. Nothing but I writing this is the mu naught j writing curl of b. Curl of b equal to mu naught j. Curl of b equal to mu naught j. Okay, in this writing using identity I am giving the box. Del square a equal to del dot a minus curl of a. Curl of a. I'm writing this is the I writing curl of a equal to del square a minus of del dot a. This I am writing otherwise understanding del dot a. This is I take in the box. We are taking red pen. Mu naught j. Okay. Curl of a nothing but I am vacating this is a 0. This is a 0. Okay. Nothing but for since DC current only. Since DC current, nothing but steady current. DC current only. This current is nothing but this is a 0. DC current only del dot A equal to 0. Del dot A vector equal to 0. Write in the box. Del dot A vector equal to 0. This is 0. What am I writing in this term? This term I am writing minus del square A vector equal to mu naught J. Okay. What I am writing? Rewriting del square A vector equal to minus of mu naught J vector. Okay, this is the box. This is the my vector Poisson's equation. Just keep it in mind. Comparing the electrostatics. Electrostatic, what is this Poisson's equation? Del square V equal to minus of rho V by epsilon. This is the electrostatic Poisson's equation. This is nothing but in this magnetostatic vector Poisson's equation. This is very important in the 2 marks question last 2 years. Vector Poisson's equation. Don't confuse the magnetostatics and electrostatic. This is a vector Poisson's equation. Okay, I am writing this one. This is very important. This is the vector Poisson's equation. Just keep it in mind. Identity. Okay, just identity direct formula. Okay, del square A equal to minus mu naught J. Del square A equal to minus mu naught J. Okay, taking the 10 minutes and section will be closed. Please cooperate it. Okay, simple. Writing del square A. What I am writing del square A vector is equal to minus mu naught J vector. What I am writing A vector is nothing but I writing this is the some xyz coordinate in the we can write the vector form. This is ax small ax plus ay small ay plus az small az. Okay, this is the ax ay. Okay, same I writing. This is a vector. Same j vector writing. J vector jx in ax plus in the yz xyz jy ay plus jz az unit vector. Okay, then substitute this equation. I taking this one. I taking the box. Substitute this one, the a vector and b vector. Okay, del square a capital Ax small ax plus capital A suffix y ay plus capital Az small az, that is equal to minus mu naught jx ax plus jy ay plus jz az. Okay, and the bracket close. What I am writing in this way, Poisson's equation of electrostatics, Poisson's equation of in this vector Poisson's equation of magnetostatics. Okay, del square ax equal to del square ax equal to, comparing this one. Okay, ax dot ax equal to 1. Multiplication ax dot ax equal to 1. I am writing only in the vector mu naught jx. Okay, mu naught jx. Same way I am writing del square ay equal to minus mu naught j vector y. Del square az is equal to minus mu naught jz. Okay, this is the comparing. Okay, what is the ax? Very important. Ax equal to mu naught, this is x, mu naught j vector x. Okay, j vector x, I am writing 1 by 4 pi discuss volume integral of dv by r. Okay, first of all, I am taking the black pen. I think is understanding the electrostatics. Poisson's equation of electrostatics, del square v equal to minus rho v by epsilon. Please keep it your mind in the first unit concepts in the coordinate system. Otherwise, need not to understanding. We discuss the first unit Poisson's equation and electric flux density, then Laplace equation. We are using. We are first law Maxwell equation, second law Maxwell equation. We are using, then we can derive the fourth Maxwell equation is also vector Poisson's of magnetic vector Poisson's equations magnetostatic field. Okay, rho v equal 0. When we know vector potential, we discuss the electrostatic potential Q divided by 4 pi epsilon r, and I write it directly. Please remember, remind, keep it in mind. Just you can practice, you can understand, you can keep it mind. Okay. First of all, you can take a pen and paper practice. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon. I taking the volume integral. Okay, rho v dv. Why I am writing rho v dv divided by, what is this rho v dv? R, I think this is the R. Okay, rho v dv. What I am writing? I am taking the red pen. This Q is equal to nothing but volume integral of rho v dv. I am writing this one. Q equal to volume integral of rho v dv. Writing. Okay, and this understanding. Same way I am writing rho v by epsilon. Rho v by epsilon 1 by 4 pi volume integral of dv by r. dv by r. Okay, that's why I'm writing ax equal to mu naught jx 1 by 4 pi volume integral of dv by r. Okay, this comparing, this is the mu naught jx. Okay, mu naught jx. Same way I'm writing ay. Ay equal to mu naught jy 1 by 4 pi. I am taking on the same volume integral. This is the volume integral of mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi. Same writing, no problem. dv by r. అంటే same way az vector, that is equal to, I am writing mu naught jz, I think not writing, mu naught by 4 pi. This is the volume integral of jz, j vector z divided by r dv. Same way, I think this term is same way writing, no problem. This is just comparing the magnetostatics and the electrostatics. Okay, in general I am writing it is a vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi volume integral of j vector by r dv, j vector by dv. In general, this is a vector equal to mu naught by 4 pi volume integral of j vector by r. Some are writing only, not in x, y, z coordinate. Only a vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi j vector by r. This is very important in general formula. Okay. Okay. With b equal to curl of a. Okay. What I am writing in the simplify, last one. I think it's the last 5 minutes. Section will be closed. So please cooperative. A vector. Srija is waiting in the participants joining the Srija. Okay. A vector in terms of 3 standard current configuration. Okay, I think his participant is waiting. One more people. Configuration. We know that first of all, first we discuss line charge, surface charge, and volume charge in the magnetostatic field. Okay, nothing but in this distribution, I dl vector, that is equal to k vector ds, that is equal to j vector dv. We discuss. Okay, this is the ampere per meter, We know that in this a vector is equal to, I take in the line, this is the line current, this is surface current, this is the volume current. Okay, first of all, and this a vector is equal to mu naught by 4 pi surface integral of k vector ds by r. I think is not, I think k vector ds. J vector dv. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not writing, not clear writing. First of all, I'm taking the line current nothing but IDL by IDL vector by R. This is the line current. Just I can replace the IDL. Okay. Then A vector IDL replace the KDS. U naught by 4 pi. The surface integral of K vector ds by R. This is nothing but surface. Next one, A vector just replace mu naught by 4 pi volume integral of J vector dv by R. This is nothing but volume integral. Okay. What I am telling, current density nothing but current passing to the area. Okay. K vector is equal to, discuss, K is equal to I divided by B. B is the perpendicular distance in the surface. We take the, I think we know that. Okay, note a point and conclude. Okay, in conclusion of this point, note. Last point, note. Flux equal to surface integral of B dot ds. Okay, that is equal to, I think it's the Stokes theorem. What is the Stokes theorem? Closed surface integral approximately to line integral. Closed line integral of approximately to surface integral. Okay, that is the cross product. Okay, I think we take the A vector. Okay, this is a vector. We can replace the a vector. Closed surface curl of a vector dot ds is equal to line integral of a dot dl. I think this is Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem. Please observe not last point. Or else I can write this surface will be cancelled. Okay, what I am writing in this flux equal to closed line integral of a dot dl, that is equal to surface integral of b dot ds, that is equal to b dot ds. Okay, that is nothing but in general writing this a vector is equal to d psi by dt. D psi by dt. This is the Weber per meter. Very important. A vector d psi by dt. Nothing but rate of change of flux with respect to the time. And telling the nothing but this is the flux nothing but Weber. Weber per meter. Okay. Rewriting also. Keep it in mind. Rate of change of flux with respect to time. So flux equal to closed line integral of A dot dl. Okay. Today, what I am discuss first of all, fourth law Maxwell equation. Just comparing the electrostatics and magnetostatic. We can derive the this is del dot B equal to 0. This is the fourth Maxwell equation. We are using the Ampere circular law. Curl of Hj equal to J. We can find out the del dot B equal to 0. Relation B is equal to mu naught H. We can derive the fourth Maxwell equation. Then after that, scalar magnetic potential del square Vm equal to 0. This is the nothing but magnetic potential, scalar magnetic potential. Vm is nothing but capital Vm. What is the unit? Amperes. Scalar magnetic potential del square Vm equal to 0. Same as the Laplacian of scalar potential in the electrostatics. Okay, and then after that we discuss the vector magnetic potential. Vector, I think we take the A vector is denoted by capital A vector. We can derive del square A equal to minus mu naught J. This is nothing but vector Poisson's equation. Okay, in magnetostatic field, vector Poisson's equation. Some Padma Pujita is what happened. Del square A vector equal to minus mu naught J. Just keep it in mind. This is the last year 2 marks question. This is I am writing the box. Okay, this one. This is also very important. Okay, del square A vector equal to minus mu naught J. This is nothing but vector Poisson's equation. Okay, del square A vector equal to minus mu naught J. Okay, and stop sharing. I think it's completed today's section. Tomorrow in the afternoon we discuss the magnetic force. Okay, nothing but we discuss the magnetic force, force due to magnetic field, then moving charge in magnetic field, current element and external magnetic field, between two current element we discuss. Very important. We can find out the Lorentz principle also. Lorentz force equation. I think is a 2 marks, 3 marks question. Write on the Lorentz force equation. Okay, very important. Okay, Lorentz force equation. Then force between the two current element. I think this is a lengthy topic in the third unit. Please cooperative. I think you listen and carefully and observe the screen. What I am writing, what I am telling. Otherwise, need not to understanding. Please follow my class. Okay. I think today is fast. I think it's small, fast, little bit small, fast. I am teaching. I think I am sending the PDF. Please read the PDF. Any doubt, ask me. Or else you can read the textbook of MNO Sadiko. Please follow my way. Okay. Follow the class and follow the notes and follow the textbook. Okay. And stop sharing. If it's any doubt, then ask me. And then after tomorrow. Okay. And stop sharing.